We live in the UK in London.
Oh, oi Phareng. Germany. Okay, I see Phareng. No, wait, there is a Phareng or what? Really? Yes, there is. I see a white guy there. Oi Phareng. As Phareng. Oi Phareng. Germany. Okay, oh, because it's not so usual to see Pharengs here around. Welcome to Meghalaya.
Thank you.
You are married with Kasi. You have girlfriend in Kasi or what? Huh?
She's my ex-girlfriend.
He's Kasi or what? You're Kasi Nepali. Okay, I'm married with Kasi. God bless your journey, brother.
Yeah, you too.
And he's a tall man, good looking also. My goodness gracious. You play basketball or what? No. Okay. Hello. Nice to meet you. Okay, so God bless you and welcome to Meghalaya, brother. Welcome. Germany is here. Hello, how are you?
Hello. Quite popular because of your YouTube, huh? We keep on watching you from UK.
Thank you. All right, then.
Yeah.
Neighbors, yeah, because
My wife is from here, but we live in the UK in London.
Oh.
Yeah, so we watch your video driving in the freewheeler and all the things.
Yes.
That's quite an adventure, let me tell you.
Yeah, it is. Oh. Bye. God bless. Oh, hello. Hey. How are you? Good. This is your kid?
Yeah, this is my
Wow. Hello. How are you? Fine. And this little princess. Wow. Hello, princess.
given. In Russia, I think in Finland the same. Don't care, right?
Yeah,
right,
we don't care about that.
And one time he gave money like this also.
Like like this.
One time he gave me like that, and I got very angry.
Because because I
very clear mind.
Yes.
I just want to say to all Kasis who watch us, if foreigners does something what offends you, should think twice, because sometimes we just don't know that it might be offensive. In our culture, it's different. So.
Yes.